Welcome back everybody. So guys, we just talk about the Jumbotron and the containers, so why not we just talk about something more practically. So I'm just creating a p tag here. Basically I just want to teach you that Bootstrap, by using the Bootstrap we can create interesting text styles. We just simply need to call the class names and it will be applied. So first of all, before putting any class name, I'm just putting here this is the simple paragraph. And now just see this in a browser. If I just refresh that, now this is a simple paragraph looking awesome, and you know that it's inside the container. That's why both the Jumbotron and the text is starting from the same place exactly. So basically I'm just adding the class here. I'm adding the text danger, okay, the text danger. So refresh that one. Now the color is a little red, as you can see, okay, so looking awesome. I'm duplicating that one, and now the text warning. Save and refresh. Now it will be brown a little, as you can see, and I think it's looking awesome. Well, one thing more, I'm just clearing that the danger and the warning and the info, I'm just guiding you about these things. The info and the primary, spelling mistake, primary, these are all the success, the basic HTML, the basic Bootstrap's theme colors. The danger means the red, the warning means the brown, the info means light blue, and the primary means dark blue, and the success means green. So go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that the blue, light blue, dark blue, and the green, the the brown and the red. So going back and duplicating this one, and basically now the text muted. The muted color is only in the text format, not on all other classes, but it's to the Bootstrap. Now here I'm just clearing that nothing. I'm not applying any style with this one, and the simple paragraph without any color, and save and refresh. Now you can see that this is a simple black, but this is not truly black. The Bootstrap has no true black colors in itself, by the way. This is a muted color, and all these colors, different colors. So you just don't forget to remember that, as I said, that the danger means red, the warning means brown, the info means the light blue, the primary means dark blue, and the success means green, and the muted means the gray. But I'm not gonna use the muted on other elements. It's only for the text, by the way. So what I'm gonna do more, I'm just adding another class. You know that we can add multiple classes, so same I can add the multiple classes on the Bootstrap classes. So what I'm just doing here, the BG danger, okay, I'm adding the background color. If I just add the BG danger, so it will get the background color. So just refresh that one, and now the BG danger is light, you can see that the light red, and it has a beautiful contrastment, okay. And there I'm adding the BG warning. I can add the BG danger or BG warning, any BG, yeah exactly, BG warning anywhere. This is not necessary to use the BG danger or BG warning only on the p tags. Even we can use them in the divs, we can use them without text too. So refresh. Now you can see that this is another color with a beautiful contrastment, and the BG info, and save, and the BG primary, okay, the BG success, okay, and I'm just going there and refreshing. Now you can see that it's automatically turned into the white color, just because this is a dark blue and this is light blue. So it can give the text as the dark color, but it cannot give because the background is dark for it. And sorry about the gray color, the text muted color, because it has no background plate, so just leave that as it is. But I think you just understand about the BG danger, BG warning. I'm just gonna teach you some more things. If I just go there and simply create a div, and I'm just putting some style here. The width I'm putting around 40 px, or I think I should put the 200 px, okay, no problem. The height about 200 px, and save and add. Now instead of adding a background color, just add a class of the BG danger. Now save and go to the browser back and refresh. Now you can see that this is the element we've created and looking awesome, super great. Okay, so guys, what more I'm just gonna do, there are some more text styles I'm just gonna teach you right now, just setting an enter, and actually I'm just simply copying this one, or yeah, copy that one and paste there. And now just go to the browser and refresh. After the block, I think I should make this block a little small, the 50px and the 50px. Awesome. Now this is very small block which is actually looking cool. So now I just want to apply something to this one, the after the block element, and here what I'm just applying the lead, lead. You can understand it. Now it's leading, a leading paragraph, by adding the lead. Duplicate. Now let's just add the small one, small, save and refresh. Now this is a small paragraph. If you just watch this, this is little bit bold, and this is very small, smaller than the general, the normal one. So I think you just got both of them. Now the text capitalize, simply add text capitalize. Okay, so go to the browser. What does the mean of capitalize? I'm just clearing you first. Capitalize each word, each character. Capitalize the character of each word, first character, the T, then I, then T, then S, then P, then you know about all these things. So refresh now. Capitalize each word's first character. Exactly, this is what I just want to say. Now the T, then I, then T, then S, then P, then W. However, the P and the T is originally capital, but no issue, it didn't make them small. Just capitalize each word's first character. Now duplicate that one, and just remove the capitalize and put the lowercase. So what the lowercase can do, lowercase, and save and go to the browser and refresh. In the lowercase, did you remember that the T and the P is capital, but here all the text is small now? And in the same case, in the same way, you can put the uppercase too. So save and go to the browser back and refresh. In the uppercase, you can see that all the characters are capital. Okay, so this is the interesting feature of the Bootstrap. I'm gonna teach you some more elements. Just type the text right. What the mean of text right? If I just go to the browser and refresh, now the text is on the right side. This is called the text right. I don't think that it's a little hard to understand. Just simply text center, add the classes and apply it. Now the text is in the center, and duplicate, and now the text left. Well, we just generally don't need to put the text left, because automatically this is a text on left, or basically this is a by default value. And then I'm just setting a block quote. Oh, spelling mistake. Block quote. No spelling mistake. Block quote. Exactly. The spelling was mistaking the U. Oh, now the block quote is perfect. Well, what I'm just doing, I'm just copying all these data, but before copying, I'm just putting something here like this is a block quote created by me. Okay, great. Now copy this and create a new file and save it. Now here I'm just typing old html.html and enter. So right now I'm just removing this bootstrap here and saving and going to the file. Where is the file? I just need to go to the master project, inside the master project, the bootstrap, and I'm just double clicking on the old HTML. Now it's there, the old file, and this is the old block code. But if I just go there and refresh, now you can see that this is a new block code. So basically I just didn't add any clause, it applied on the tag directly. However, I just didn't add any clause, because exactly, if you remember that in a bootstrap.css, the direct tags are also has some styles. So exactly, this block code has the style, which you can see that there isn't any style for this one. Well, if I just duplicate and add in specific clause to the block code, reverse, now save and refresh. So now there is another block code, refresh. Oh my gosh, I just created this block code in the page of old HTML. Just copy and paste this here, and save and refresh. Now this is the block code which is actually creating by the reverse way on the right side. Okay, going awesome. In the same way, if I just apply the pre-formatted tag, do you remember the pre-formatted tag which actually able to show us the white spaces? This is a pre-formatted tag. If I just put any tag like the and something more. For example, if I just go to the old.html or the index.html here and just call the ABBR tag, I just teach you about the ABBR tag, very old, basically in the HTML chapter, the HTML section, and I'm adding a title here. Basically, before that, I think the P tag first. The US is the powerful country, whatever, just for the text one. Now if I just add the ABBR cover then and add the title here, and in a title the United States. Now save the United States and go to the browser back and simply refresh. Now the US is a powerful country. If I just hover the mouse on the US, then I can get the United States. In the tooltip, this is actually called the ABBR. But if I just copy this one and if I just paste this there in this page and save and go to there and refresh, now US is a powerful country, but you can see that a line underlined content. Okay, and a beautiful, you can see that question mark. This declares that we are just on something really special, ABBR. So this is all about the Bootstrap text styles. We'll learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.